testosterone controls how you look, how you feel, and how you perform. And for most men right now, it's lower than it should be. Research shows testosterone levels today are dramatically lower than just 2 generations ago. Same age, same genetics, completely different hormonal output. Something in modern life is systematically destroying male testosterone, and most men have no idea it's happening to them. Here is exactly why, and exactly how to fix it permanently. You may ask, why your testosterone is low? Chronic stress is chemically robbing you. Your body produces a stress hormone called cortisol, and cortisol is testosterone's direct biological enemy. Both hormones are built from the same raw material inside your body. When you're chronically stressed, from deadlines, anxiety, screens, and poor sleep, your body prioritizes cortisol above everything else. Survival first, performance second. Every hour you spend stressed, your body is cannibalizing the resources it would have used to produce testosterone. In today's world, most men are running in a chronic stress state all day without even realizing it. Your body isn't broken. It's been choosing survival over strength for years, and that has a hormonal price. Reason number 2, you're starving your hormones of the fat they're built from. Testosterone is synthesized from cholesterol, which means your body needs healthy dietary fat to make it. Men who avoid fat consistently show lower testosterone in studies. If you've been cutting out eggs and nuts thinking you're being healthy, you've accidentally been starving your hormonal system of its primary raw material. No raw material, no hormones. Simple as that. Your body fat is converting your testosterone into estrogen. Fat cells contain an enzyme called aromatase. This enzyme takes your testosterone and converts it directly into estrogen. The more fat you carry, especially on your belly and chest, the more testosterone gets destroyed before it can even do its job. And low testosterone makes it easier to gain more fat. More fat means more aromatase. More aromatase means less testosterone. A spiral that will not stop on its own until you break it. Reason number 3, you're cutting your production short every single night. Testosterone is not made in the gym. It's made during deep sleep. Studies show just 1 week of 5-hour nights drops testosterone by 15%. 1 week. Imagine what years of that does to your baseline. Poor sleep quality, even at 7 or 8 hours, disrupts the hormonal reset. Your body depends on every night. And most men are sleeping through this problem without even knowing it. Quick signs how to know if this is you. Stubborn chest and belly fat despite your efforts. Feeling weaker and more fatigued than your age should allow. Weak or absent morning erections. These aren't random. They are your body's direct signals that something is broken at a hormonal level. And now you know what's causing them. Before we get into the fixes, check yourself right now. Carrying stubborn fat on your chest or belly that won't move no matter what you do. That's the aromatase loop in action. Feeling weaker or more exhausted than you should for your age? That's your muscles running on empty. And the most honest signal your body sends you? Weak or absent morning erections. Testosterone peaks early in the morning. If that signal has gone quiet, your body is telling you something is wrong at a fundamental level. These aren't separate problems. They're the same problem, and here's how you fix it. Fix number 1, sprint to spike testosterone and burn the aromatase fat. Long, slow cardio doesn't move the needle. Explosive sprint training does. 3 sets of sprints, 3 times a week. Maximum effort, short duration. This triggers a surge of both testosterone and growth hormones simultaneously and burns the body fat that's feeding your aromatase problem. 2 causes, 1 fix. Fix number 2, eat for your hormones every single morning. Your body needs protein, zinc, magnesium, and healthy fats daily to manufacture testosterone. Non-vegetarians, 4 whole eggs every morning. Covers your protein, healthy fats, and the key micronutrients your hormones run on. Vegetarians, high-protein oats with walnuts, almonds, and cashews. Do this consistently for 10 days. The shift in energy and strength will be real. Fix number 3. Defend your sleep and kill your cortisol. 7 to 8 hours. Dark room. No phone before bed. This is where testosterone is actually made. Protect it like it's your most important training session. And stack daily cortisol control on top. Cold exposure in the morning. Breathing exercises. Less screen time at night. Lower cortisol creates the biological space testosterone needs to rise. These aren't soft habits. They are hormonal interventions. Your testosterone is low because your environment and your daily habits have been running against your hormonal system, quietly, consistently, without you knowing. Not because of who you are, not because of your age. You now know the exact reasons and the exact fixes. Here's what I want you to do right now. Pick the one you know you've been neglecting the most. Sleep, training, food, hormonal issues equals just one. Attack it this week. Then stack the rest over the next 30 days. 30 days from now, you'll understand what it actually feels like to operate on a full hormonal engine. And you'll wonder how you ever settled for anything less. Subscribe for peak male experiences and the best-looking version of yourself.